Hey everybody, it's Nitro with a little special here for you. Uh, this is a secret recipe, a cocktail I'm going to share with you guys, but keep it a secret. Hey, so yeah, I call it the poor man's mudslide or my mocha latte, the panty ripper. So I just got a single blender. It was like $15 back when it came out. It's like a single shot. It's Hempel Beach. You can't beat this thing. It's old as tits, and it just, yeah. I'll tell you why in a minute. All right, so this is a cocktail, a vodka mudslide, and or poor man's mudslide. So it's good for coffee, morning coffee, if you like that. So I got Canadian polar ice vodka, chilled. Uh, so I'll put that in here. This is basically your economy brand vodka, your basics. When it comes to Canada, vodka, I don't know. You can't really go wrong because really, if you're mixing it, it doesn't. Yeah, unless you get really shitty stuff. I don't. I'm in Canada, so I don't know how shitty you can really get, but we get some pretty shitty stuff. So, yeah, probably put more in a minute. So next, you what you want to do is take your coffee. Now, I don't like hot coffee. This pre-brewed, I just threw it in a glass bottle, just an old Scotch bottle. It's just cheap coffee, brewed strong as fuck. This one is Folgers. It was on sale. Big tub for like fucking $5. Oh yeah, but like really strong. And it was chilled. Just got a fridge. Pour that in there. So yeah, I don't really like. I used to like hot coffee a lot, but I only drink cold coffee now. Like yeah, iced coffee. Yeah, doesn't appeal to me. All right, so next, uh, basically this is the main secret ingredient, and yeah, it's not healthy. So Nesquik is the equivalent. This is in store grocery brand. It's like $1 less, actually it's the same, really. But I swear by it. Same thing. Nesquik, same thing. Just liquid chocolate, and you just take that, and you just kind of gauge it. Put her in there, boy. Get it in. Yeah. All right. See how that goes. And then milk. Uh, Cream is also acceptable. This is basically next to cream. It's 3% homogenized, so it's the highest fat milk content you can get, right? But any milk product can do, or even milk whitener or coffee whitener. So it's got a protective seal on it. At least it's got that. All right, so again, guesstimate that. I don't want too much, but you want that creaminess, right? With the mocha latte, especially. So set that aside. And what I also like to do is just, I know it's probably not good for you, but it'll give you a pep in your step. Just regular white granulated sugar, just a hit, just of that refined sugar. I like it. Not a lot. You don't need a lot because that syrup, it's kind of like doing its job for you. But I think it might be out. Huh? It is out. Well, well, not too bad, eh? Luckily, I have singles. Somehow I ended up with like restaurant packets of the same stuff. I don't know where they came from, but somebody must have left them here. Somebody must have worked at a restaurant. So I'll just go 3 of those. Just rip that off. Ripping and tearing. Always hitting that ass. Alright, so, like I said, that's coffee strong, so don't underestimate it. I wouldn't worry about too much about the vodka right now. Alright, that's enough of that. And next is ice. Uh-huh. I may have a little bit overdone it in the ingredients. So, yeah. Oh well. In a minute it'll work itself out. So ice. So everybody's in the pool, right? So we got our uh, chocolate syrup, Nesquik, vodka, super chilled, super strong coffee, cheap coffee, I think, and white sugar, and ice. So I'm just gonna put that head on and make sure that you close the spout thing there. Put it in the blender, and I'm just gonna wash it. Don't wash it too much because then the ice will disappear. But you want like almost like a slushy going on. So that's locked. Making weird noises. But anyway. Oh, sugar. That's where it went. Spilled all over the fucking place. Anyway. So, take that off. See what you got. Now, the unique thing about this little one-hitter Hamburg Beach thing is the top right here. Where you slide it back. You slide it back and it opens up full, right? I don't want to tip it over and I don't want to move the camera. Or you can close it so that you can get some ice, the size of ice, or no ice, just a liquid, or yeah, chunks. I like to do it like a little bit, and then yeah, but we'll just see the ratio here. Oh my god, spot fucking on. And you know what the kicker is? It's the chocolate syrup. You gotta have that. Otherwise, if you want to be, expensive, this is the poor man's Mudslide. Where you'd get Kahlua or Bailey's, something like that. Yeah, really expensive, like 17% alcohol. Yeah, just add more vodka. But yeah, man. So that's my Mocha Latte. And I've even done this with ice cream before, and that turned out well. Some pretty crazy flavors. Yeah. But yeah, I would open that spout just a bit more. So I'm getting like the perfect amount of liquid and crushed ice. See, if you wash this too much, the ice will basically disappear. Too little, it'll be too big, and you won't get any out of the spout. But yeah, you'll get used to it. This thing, like, it came out when, like, when the Magic Bullet came out, like, at the very beginning. Yeah, like, they're everywhere now, but mine's starting to show its age. Probably have to replace it. I think they still sell them probably at Walmart, $15 or something. You don't need nothing special. A big blender is pointless. Certain blenders like will not do what they do. Like they'll just fuck up everything. They'll turn things into a froth. They'll liquefy the ice immediately. Yeah, you just don't have a choice sometimes. But don't spend a lot on one of these. But yeah, and the coffee, it's your preference. Like I used to buy really expensive coffees and stuff like that, but since I went just drinking it cold, I really don't know much of a difference. And usually I use it mixed with something, usually. Another thing you can do with this is, and wash it up and make it a little more interesting, You can also add cinnamon or nutmeg, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of nutmeg. It makes everything a little bit, you know, interesting. Yeah, it goes good in a lot of dishes. Eggnog, oh my goodness, when it's around and you can find it, trust me, eggnog. If you see it, get it. Make it with Try it with this one instead of the regular milk. It'll make your dick go. But yeah, the reason I call it Penny Ripper is because you basically put half and half almost or more, and you can't taste the liquor in it at all. So it'll get your morning coffee in, your sugar high, and you will unknowingly get drunk at the same time. Not drunk, but a little bit, just but with the caffeine and that strong coffee, the sugar, it kind of levels itself out, so you're ready for the day. Hopefully not, you're not doing surgery or something, but you but I'm just saying, yeah. But yeah, and coffee, once it's brewed, if you put it in something, put it in the fridge, it lasts for fucking ever. I don't know why. I haven't Googled it yet. Even on the counter, it'll last forever. I don't know. It doesn't go bad. Must be something in it. Some kind of like a acid or natural something that makes it not go bad. But yeah, it will last forever. For some reason, not. I don't know. I always check it. But yeah. So anyway, hope you guys liked the review. Any questions? Let me know. Already. You're out. Stay safe and stay cool.